So we're going up the tower with an elevator. The cost of the ticket was 700 tenge, so that's about less than €2. You go through a security check downstairs. Have to empty your pockets, also give the money out of your pockets. It's called kopeyki in Russian if you don't know. So yeah, there's like 3 girls there that are employed. One is just standing there pointing you the way. The other one just presses the button for the lift. Okay, and the third one is a seller at a gift shop. So yeah, that's how you generate the jobs, you know? Bim boom. I guess we are in the top floor. So that's what €2 gets you in Kazakhstan. So you've seen that before, but not from this perspective. Yeah. Oh, we can even go up, but we have to walk. So we'll do that later. Then you can come here to chill. Unfortunately, I don't think you can bring a beer with you. But you can try it, why not? You have a bar here. But they don't sell alcoholic drinks, so yeah, that's what this is. Gelato bambino. As I told you, no shortage of ice cream in Afghanistan. No, sorry, in Kazakhstan. Oh my god. Sorry, I got distracted by this heart. Yeah. So let us go upstairs. Or what? Shigu. Východ. Exit. Shigu. Okay. I actually don't get the point of the second floor, but okay. It's even higher. And there you have one more. If you want to walk all the way up to touch the ceiling of this great building. No, it's a nice building, so I can't complain. It's nice. With air cons all around. So we go up to touch the ceiling. There. With the whatever birds you call them. Crystal birds.
Эта композиция была сомнения в 2003 году. состоялся форум политики Назарбаева. И первый съезд в Байтелеке состоялся. 17 делегаций приехали, то есть представители от каждой религии здесь всех